Magandang umaga Pilipinas and hello world! Ako po si Ryan at welcome sa Cupcakes po! It's springtime and it's time to pipe some flowers on your cupcakes! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to pipe beautiful flowers on your cupcakes with just one squeeze, using Russian piping tips. So subscribe now and let's get started! You don't need special skills or training in making beautiful flowers. I'm gonna show you how to pipe a bouquet of flowers in less than 10 seconds. How I got the two colors for my flowers in one piping tip is first, I lined my piping bag with the first color of your choice. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using pink, and using a palette knife, I would scoop a little bit of frosting and line the outsides of my piping bag. You line it like this. Make sure to cover the entire outer layer of your piping bag for the first color. And then we take your middle color and fill the rest of the piping bag. As you can see, anybody can make beautiful flowers using the Russian piping tips. Don't forget to check the details below. I'll be leaving a link on where you can get this product. Get those Russian piping tips and let's get piping! Don't forget to hit subscribe and share this video to all of your friends. On the comment section below, tell me what you would like to see on the next video. Thanks for watching! See you again next week.